Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shana, and today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to download Blender 2.8. And yeah, let's get started. So first of all, go to any web browser and then search for Blender 2.8 download. So here, click on the blender.83 blender org and then click on the download blender here, and it will show you guys this thing. So there's like the option to download Blender 2.9 or Blender 2.8. you guys can like download any of them, like the one you just want, because both of them are pretty similar. But since my version of computer cannot download the Blender 2.91, I'm going to download the Blender 2.8. So just click on it and then scroll down. Find the one that it shows LTS release Blender 2.8.8. So you guys gotta download it, this one, and then take your version of computer. So if you're on Windows, there's two options which you can like download the ZIP or the MSI. I recommend ZIP more if you're on Windows, but since I'm on Mac, so yeah, click on it. So here's it. It will take you to this link, and then it shows like you are breathtaking. Blender is not yours to keep forever, and then there's like the download right down here, and you guys just gotta wait for it for a while. Okay, so my Blender done downloading, and then after you're done, just like drag your screen like this, and then drag the download file thingy into your desktop, and double click on it. So first of all, you guys just gonna wait for it to like verifying. So yeah, it's still opening, and then it will bring you here, and double click on this one, on the Blender. And then it will open the Blender. But first of all, I'm pretty sure that you guys need to like drag the Blender to application first of all, but because I already downloaded it, so yeah, it's opening down here right now. So yeah, and that's the tutorial of it. And then oh yeah, by the way, and there's like Blender is an application download from the internet, or if you want to open it, and then click on open. So yeah, here's it. You get the Blender 2.8 one. Maybe I'll make like a tutorial on how to do Blender 2.7. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like need any other tutorial, because I'll make very soon. And yeah, bye guys.